Welcome to King HVAC North Carolina Company, your professional heating and air conditioning service in all of Sanford area. King HVAC Company is an expert in providing you with quality and reliable HVAC services, catering to residents and local businesses both. We've been in the industry and in the business for over 20 years now, providing the Sanford area residents with year-round comfort through our professional heating and air conditioning services. So call 919-776-5118 now and get your HVAC system fixed, or visit our website at kinghvacnc.com.